Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a different tutorial. I'm going to do a review of the website UserTesting.com, but this is going to be from the perspective of a tester, someone who is getting paid to review websites rather than from the customer's perspective. So if you've never heard of UserTesting.com, basically it's a website where customers will pay testers to review their website or their app and basically give feedback on what they think about it. In a nutshell. You can read through this if you want, but I want to go through how you can actually get paid to test and if it is feasible and if you actually can get paid, if there are jobs available. So I'm going to walk you through it. So what you do is click on Get Paid to Test. Now here it says you can earn up to $60 per test. Basically visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and get paid. Okay? Is it that easy to earn $60? No, and I will get into that in a bit. If you scroll down here, how it works, get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. UserTesting pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts out aloud. So if you're looking at a website, you might comment on the design or if it's easy to navigate, etc., etc. Okay, so there's lots of information you can look at, but let's just try to get an account. So here I'm going to put in my email, agree to the terms and conditions, and sign me up. All right, now you have to verify your email. Another thing I wanted to point out was that UserTesting.com accepts testers from the following countries. So here, depending on your country, you can click and you can see, depending on your continent rather, you can click and see which countries. Okay, so this is really helpful because I know a lot of people who've subscribed to my channel are from all around the world. So there's no discrimination here. They want people from all sorts of countries. So once you've verified your email, you can proceed to the next step, and basically over the next few minutes you're going to learn about the user testing platform and get set up to take tests. So here's a video of a good tester. So if you watch this video, it will give you an example of what they're looking for. Basically you're going to need to have a microphone, a good quality microphone, nothing great, but something that you're able to hear you clearly. And what they like about this video is that the tester thinks out loud and keeps talking, follows instructions, and completes each task. So you're going to be given a task and then you have to talk out loud as you're doing the task. Basically, you want to be as helpful as you can with your interactions with the website to help the customer. So let's click Continue. It says ready to get set up. Before you can start earning money, you'll need to download and install the user testing software and submit a sample test for approval. If you use an external microphone, make sure it's plugged in now. Okay, so let's click on download the user testing software. So go to wherever the software downloaded on your computer and then let's complete the setup process. So we'll click next here. And then click Finish. Okay, so now that it's been installed, I can click Continue. It says you're almost ready to begin your test. Please watch the following video to increase your chance of getting approved. So again, you're going to go through this record in a quiet, distraction-free place. Adopt the mindset of the scenario. Try to complete each task before moving on. Speak your thoughts out loud. Ask questions and add comments. So keep all of these in mind as you're doing the test. All right, and once you've watched the video, you can click Start Your Test. It's going to say Open User Testing, so we can click Open User Testing. Okay, microphone check pass, so they'll make you read a sentence to test your microphone. Let's click Next. Are you ready to begin? find a quiet place, hide any windows you don't want recorded. Continuously speak your thoughts out loud. Try to complete each task. So let's click Start Recording. Starting 3, 2, 1. All right, imagine yourself in this scenario. You'll work on a couple activities that are similar to the types of tasks that you may be asked to work on as a tester. As you complete the activities, imagine you are planning a trip to the Air and Space Museum. There are no wrong answers. We want to see your successes, but we also want to see your struggles. You're only judged on your ability to speak your thoughts out loud and follow these instructions. If you're not already on the Air and Space Museum, click this link. Well, we have it open here, so I'm there. So let's click Start. Okay, so I was a little confused there of what to do, but at the top there I saw Next. So that's to give you the instructions. So right here, I've just paused this because I'm not trying to submit what I just did. I'm trying to tell you about this. So it says, use the website to find a map with a layout of the museum in DC. Describe your experience as you look for it. So basically what you're going to do in order to get approved for this account is you're going to follow little tasks like this. So right now you've been given the task to find a map with a layout of the museum in DC, and you're going to describe your experience as you look for it. So you might be like, okay, where would I find a map? I'm going to go to visit because surely the map is going to be there. And then if it's not there, okay, well, I'm not sure why it's not there. Maybe it's over here in the menu section. Essentially, customers are paying this website for user feedback. So if you find it super difficult to find the map, that's something that maybe this website is going to want to know, because maybe they'll put it in a place that's easier. Okay? I'm going to unpause this now. All right, the next question is, on what holiday is the Air and Space Museum closed? So again, you're going to try to find hours. So you're going to walk through the website, doing all these different tasks and recording yourself speaking as you do it. You don't want awkward, quiet pauses. Every time you're moving your mouse, you should be like narrating it basically. So, okay, well, first I'm going to try exhibitions, or I'm going to try Connect, because maybe here I'll, basically imagine you really are trying to find out when this is closed and navigate the website you would normally if you were trying to find that information on a website, and then just talk about it. So that's basically all you have to do. All right, so it says, any final thoughts? Please provide any additional comments, questions, or suggestions you have before you stop recording and continue to the follow-up questions. So maybe you've got some comments or suggestions for the website. Oh, maybe it would be better if you put this over here. Or maybe you think it's great and it was really easy for you to find everything they asked for you. And after that, you'll stop recording and continue on to the follow-up questions. So it says, what specifically made it easy or difficult for you to find what you're looking for? So you can answer something. What 3 words would you use to describe the Air and Space Museum? So I don't know. So put in 3 different words. And then after you're finished, you'll click Done. So it says uploading session. Leave this window open until your session has finished uploading. Then it will say session upload successfully. Thanks for your feedback today, and click Finish. So it says, thanks for completing your sample test. Your video is in the process of being reviewed. You should expect to hear from us within the next few days, so keep an eye on your inbox. Basically, just wait until you get an email that says you've been approved, and if not, you can try again. And I'm going to do another video on what you can expect once you have been approved and what kind of tests are available to you in user testing and the kind of money that you can make. So thanks for watching.